Good morning, students. I again welcome you to our class of literature. Now, today we are going to start a new chapter, that is Elephants Raid the Kitchen by Cynthia Moss. Now, before starting the chapter, let's discuss about elephant. Elephant is really a magnificent, strong, and beautiful animal. As we all know that it is now the biggest animal on land, whereas even we have blue whales, but blue whales are there in the ocean. But on land we have this beautiful animal, that is elephant, and it is full of strength. And when you look at this elephant, it has got big ears. Okay, that means, and a big trunk also. So sense of smell is quite good, and even sense of hearing is very good. But when you look at the eyes of the elephant, they are very small eyes. So it is said that eyesight is very weak for elephants. Their eyesight is not that good. In fact, their hearing and sense of smell, these both senses, they are very strong. Okay, and they can smell from far only what all things are there nearby, and then they proceed towards that. And these animals are always in a herd. They are not lonely animals. They don't wander about lonely here and there, but they live in a herd. So herd of elephants itself. Now, let's discuss about Cynthia Moss. Today I've got a very short film of 1.5 minutes. I'll be giving you that also. You can see it about Cynthia Moss. She was born in 1940 and she is a great conservationist of wildlife researcher also. She, though it's written in your book for 27 years, but no, more than 40 years she's been there. She's been living in the forest, and she did a lot of research over especially these elephants only. She's a very good writer, and that she has published many short stories for children, and that one of them. This is a real life incident in her life, Cynthia's. When this incident happened of raiding of the camp, actually two emotions were there at the same time. She was scared also by looking at that horrifying scene when these elephants, they raided their kitchen. They were throwing the things here and there, and it was a big mess there. It was very difficult for these people to again rectify the things. It almost took them half the night. So early morning they could take rest then, and so she was scared also. Plus, anger was also there. Like, she was annoyed, and especially she was annoyed on herself that why did she leave the camp unattended? Because at that time the leakage of gas was also there, and she got so scared that suppose if it caught fire, obviously so many animals, these elephants would have been killed. So she was very scared, and from that time on, she made a point that she won't be leaving the camp unattended, or she'll pack all the things. When the eatables are there in the camp, she'll not leave that camp. Somebody or the other will be there tending the camp so that the elephants don't raid the kitchen and don't fall prey to some danger. Now, Cynthia Moss, she left her family life. She did not have children, and she lived there in Kenya's Amboseli National Park. She stayed there, though her friends, they used to visit her off and on, and some writers also, they would come there and stay with her. Some filmmakers also would come and they would make short films over that. They would bring some projects, and that is how, like, she would get the company of people. But on the whole, she would stay there. Though she used to have a cook with her, and few people just to look after the things or the tents and all that, to help her out, and they were all paid. Okay, and Cynthia Moss, she devoted her life for this beautiful animal, and she has done a lot for these animals. Now, when she used to be there in the forest rescuing these animals, obviously you know that animals, these elephants are being, animals like even tigers are being poached for their nails, for their bones, and especially elephants, they are being poached for their tusks. Ivory. It's very costly, and that is why they're being killed for their ivory. And especially these African elephants, they have big tusks, and that is why mostly these elephants, they were killed. And when she used to go for their rescue, she never allowed those people, those poachers, to enter the forest or do all these poaching. She used to get threats also. Okay, so her life was not easy, but then also she stayed there and did a lot for the elephants. Now let's start with our chapter. Now let me introduce you to the characters of the story so that you understand it better. Now, firstly we have narrator. So narrator is Cynthia Moss. Obviously she is narrating the story to us. Now here, I have numbered these elephants, but one more elephant is there, Tanya. As the name suggests, so even this is a female. So first, Tussless. Tussless is a big big elephant, female elephant. So I have written here female. Teddy, Tony, Tilly. These three are male elephants, big elephants in the herd. Tanya, one more female elephant, and Tussless, 2-year-old calf. So baby elephants are called calf. Tussless. So this is a 2-year-old calf of Tussless, female. So Tussless is a mother of a 2-year-old calf. Now why I have numbered these 5 and why not Tanya? Because actually these 5, they had raided the kitchen. This 2-year-old baby also had joined the group, whereas Tanya was there along with the group, but it was a bit far and feeding herself between the palms. So when Tussless rumbled, made noise, okay, as she could smell some delicious fruits from the camp, so she rumbled. Even Tanya answered, rumbled from far, but it did not join the group. It did not join the herd in raiding the kitchen, and it stayed there only. So only these 5 elephants, they were there raiding the kitchen at first hand. Now here Masako. Masako is Cynthia's cook. He used to cook food for Cynthia as well as the maids who used to come there, camp maids or any filmmakers and all, whoever used to visit the camp, he was there to cook for them. Phyllis is the name of a campmate. Warren, Genigast, these two were the filmmakers. So they must have visited that camp and they stayed there with Cynthia Moss to make some short films and all.